So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find energy stocks to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once you open up Seeking Alpha, what I want you to do is to go to the top left, press on the arrow to get this drop down. Once you're here, go to Stock Analysis and then press on Stock Ideas. Once you're on the stock ideas page, you can go ahead and check a bunch of different analysis from people on the app. So in this case, if you want to find energy stock specifically, just scroll down to where it says energy right here. Press on that, and it'll say latest energy stock analysis. And what you can actually do is view a bunch of different articles from people that are giving their analysis on various energy stocks. So once you go ahead and read those, you can then make your investing decision based on that if you want, or you don't have to. It's up to you completely. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find energy stocks to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.